the price of Bitcoin exactly got reversed from my support zone that I mentioned on my Twitter. No one would have believed it if it wasn't posted on the internet. Well, perfect price prediction, exact to the point. Support level, price of Bitcoin touched it and reversed towards the upside. I entered in a long position, and my trade update on Solana as well. I will discuss each and everything in today's video, plus how I found that important support zone as well. So let's get straight to the point. Right now I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and first of all let me inform you guys that I entered in a long position exactly here, and why I will tell you guys in a moment. So for now, this is my trade update right here. 1:3 trade. Let's see how this goes. Alright, so guys, first let me remove my losing trade from here so that I can explain you guys very easily. This is my winning trade, this is my losing trade. I am removing them from the chart for a while. So first of all, let me inform you guys how I found this important, very important, I would say golden zone for me, golden support zone, which is from $50,700 to $52,600 approx. Well, it was very simple. First of all, I wanted to find a bearish target for Bitcoin, and to find a bearish target I have to draw a bullish Fibonacci. So that's what I did. I made a bullish Fibonacci from here, $56,000, exactly from this level right here. I made from this low to this high at here at $65,000. Then I got this level 1.618, which is a very important Fibonacci level as well, as you already know. So as you already know, this is my approx bottom level. You can clearly see 1.618 and my red zone right here. And secondly, this time I draw one more Fibonacci, but from $49,000 all the way up till same $65,000, and well, I got a very important level of 0.786 right here. So that's how I got my zone. This is the important red zone. Once again I am telling you, from 52,500 to 50,600 right here. This, but if I zoom out, you can clearly see price of Bitcoin is currently in a downtrend. High, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So I made a downward support zone right here. If you look closely, this white zone, and sorry guys for the disturbance, I am in my college. I know it's a very rubbish place, kindly ignore the disturbance right here. So this is the important white support zone. If you look closely, this whole white support zone is a very important zone, and I did draw on it, and you can clearly see this bearish red candle right here exactly came to my level at $52,500 exact, and got a reversal towards the upside. I already informed you guys about this on my Twitter, so congratulations to all who went long here. And for the most important thing is, I hope you learned from this trade as well and not just blindly copying me. So that's how I went in a long position exactly here, and yeah, booked all the way up till here. Profits, let's see. My current take profit is obviously this $58,000, which has already been met successfully, because you can already see I have an important purple zone of support and resistance from $57,800 to $60,000. My first target has met successfully, second is at $60,000. Let's see how this goes. And yeah, currently I'm in profit. So this is how I found the major bottom for the Bitcoin's price exactly, and went long according to my own analysis. And yeah, you can learn one more thing from it, and that is confidence, conviction in your analysis. You have to be confident in your analysis, and your hands should not be shaking while you are going to enter in a trade or exit on a trade. Alright, also I am now trailing my stop loss, so this is not my stop loss anymore. My new stop loss is somewhat over here at $54,000. This is my new stop loss. 54 or maybe 53,000. I'll adjust that, but somewhat over here this zone is my stop loss. So wait a second. Yeah, somewhat over here this zone is my stop loss for now. So even if this trade goes against me, I will book in profits only. Also, I hope you remember my Solana trade. I'm on the Solana's daily time frame chart. I entered in a long position at $123, and I informed you guys if the price of Solana comes down. Well, as you can clearly see, the price of Solana did manage to come all the way down till my bottom of this purple zone, as I predicted. Not fully, but approx you can say. I did add on to my trade here also at $1 so my average entry is somewhat over $1 only. But okay, this is my Solana trade currently going in profits. I also did my perfect analysis on Solana as well. As you already know, this purple zone of support and resistance from $119 to $124, $123 I mean, and also this white trend line right here, which was a resistance but now acting as a support after a breakout right here, and also this important support. So this whole area is a very important support for Solana, and obviously when Solana is near its very important major support, then Bitcoin and each and every crypto will also move like that. Yes, the main asset is Bitcoin only, and where the Bitcoin goes, every crypto goes. But if majority of the cryptos are showing bullish analysis, then obviously Bitcoin will also turn bullish for shorter term, but yes, will turn bullish. So this is my Solana trade right here. I've decided to trail my stop loss here also, so I have switched my stop loss to break even. So even if this trade goes against me, I will exit in profits or in break even only, no loss at all. Let's see how this goes. If the price of Solana pumps a little bit more high, then I will adjust my stop loss above my entry price, so it will be a 100% profits trade only. Let's see what happens next. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand my main breakdown of my analysis, how I found the Bitcoin's exact bottom, the whole important zone, and I entered in a long position on my own as well. And now you can clearly see price of Bitcoin is pumping, and for shorter term, yes, I am bullish on Bitcoin, and it can go to 65 till 65k, maybe 70, let's see, but still it is in a downtrend only. So let's see what happens. And my Solana trade as well, currently both in profits because Bitcoin is in profits, it is pumping, so obviously Solana will also pump. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand, and do create an account on Bybit if you want to trade Bitcoin or Solana or any other crypto exchange you like. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments. If not, then you can just go to any search browser and search Bybit or any other crypto exchange, but be aware of scams going out there. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.